Hello guys, I'm Varsha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to try this chalk art. So I have this creative hanging chalkboard and liquid chalk markers and some chalk. But I will use liquid chalk markers here. I'm going to do it for the very first time. So let's see how it turn out. So first I have red and white chalk markers. First we will do a draft with chalk. And then we have to activate this chalk markers. So for that you have to do it like this, and now it's activated, so we can easily write with this, and it's a chisel tip marker. So let's see. So it's easy to write with chalk markers rather than writing with a chalk, but the only thing I'm feeling here is that it's chisel tip and my white marker has fine tip. So first we will activate this one also with the same method, and once it's activated we can write with it. Now we are going to use both the markers and write our code. I know it doesn't turn out perfectly, but it was my first trial, so do watch till the end and let me know what do you think about this. Enjoy the process.